In today's digital-first world, a website is more than just an online presence. It's a powerful platform for engaging customers, showcasing services, and driving business growth. Many organizations struggle with outdated websites, fragmented content management, inconsistent user experiences, and the ongoing challenge of maintaining a secure and scalable digital presence. To address these challenges, Blackcoffer developed a comprehensive website development and management solution that combines modern design, robust functionality, and streamlined content management into a single digital ecosystem. The platform enables organizations to manage website content efficiently, optimize user experiences, maintain performance, and scale digital operations through a centralized and flexible management framework. Key features include modern responsive design, content management system, performance optimization, secure infrastructure, scalable architecture, enhanced user experience. The solution improves website performance, simplifies management processes, enhances customer engagement, and helps organizations strengthen their digital presence.